If you are a photographer or a videographer and you're always seeing this message here, I'm gonna show you right now how to fix it in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. No BS. It's gonna blow your mind how simple it is. Alright, so first things first, turn on your camera. And usually you get that message right there. Cards right, protect switch is set to lock. All you do is take out the SD card. Mine is located at the bottom right here. This is the Canon T7. Pop that baby right out. This is the card I'm working with. All you're gonna do is literally flip that little switch right there up, and boom, that solves the problem. Just like that. And now we're ready to put it back inside the camera. Alright, so now it's back inside the camera. All we do is turn it back on. Voila, problem is gone. That's all you have to do. All you have to do is flip up the little switch. That's it. Boom. If you found any type of value in this video, I would appreciate it if you could show some support to my channel, subscribe, and comment on another situation that you guys might need help with. See you visions, I'm out here, man.